Number 2, VPN Kickstart Fix, most effective. This is the one fix for 99% stuck. Steps: 1. Connect VPN to Singapore, best. 2. Open game, let it pass 99%. 3. Once it continues, turn off VPN. Fixes blocked or slow CDN routes. Number 3, Clear Cache, fix corrupted final file, Android, settings, apps, game storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data yet. You'll restart download. Number 4, Lock Stable Network. Use strong Wi-Fi only. Avoid switching networks. Disable 5G if unstable. Final files are sensitive to interruptions. Number 5, allow full permissions. Storage on, background data on. Number 6, disable battery saver. Set game to unrestricted, no limits. Prevents download from freezing at final stage. Number 7, free up storage, important. Keep at least 6 to 10 gigabytes free. Low space equals stuck at 99%. Number 8, advanced fix if still stuck. Reset network. Settings, system, reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Number 9, last resort 100% clean fix. 1, uninstall game. 2, delete leftover files. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, restart phone. 4, reinstall via Google Play Store. 5, use VPN during download. Start Pro Insights, stuck at 99% equals last chunk failure, CDN blocked, file verification failed, background process killed, storage write issue. Best working combo fix. If you want one powerful method, clear cache, connect VPN Singapore, reopen game, let it pass 99%, turn off VPN. Works in most cases. Still